Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mangalmay podcast series, where we bring you insights straight from the heart of Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology. And today we have with us Dr. Minakshi Sharma, Dean MIMT, and ma'am is looking after the BBA program at MIMT. Welcome, ma'am, and we are privileged to have you with us today.
Thank you, Sonali ma'am.
So, beginning with the basics, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell us something about the BBA program at MIMT?
Yeah, BBA program is it's a Bachelor of Business Administration program. It's a 3 years program and divided in 6 semesters. BBA program is designed to build a strong foundation in management principles while focusing on the practical skills and real world applications. At MIMT, we emphasize on outcome-based educations, skill development program, industry-ready program, problem-solving method, project-based learning. So in short, अगर मैं कहूँ तो BBA program is just like industry-ready professional program.
Okay. Moving forward, ma'am, can you highlight something about the value-added programs that are provided at MIMT, which is alongside to your curriculum for the students?
At MIMT, we have very transparent mechanism. We have academic development committee, and our academic development committee collects the feedback from employers, alumni, faculty members, parents, and students also. Based on that feedback analysis, we incorporate value add-on certification in our curriculum. We have n number of value add-on certifications like advanced Excel, Tally, digital marketing, prompt engineering, financial modeling, and for these MOUs we have for these add-on certification we have MOUs with reputed organization and institutions like Albatross, IIT Kanpur, Q Academy, Duquette, B School Bulls, and these add-on certifications is not only beneficial for the academic growth, but वो students की they boost the employability skills among the students.
Okay. Also, ma'am, we are preparing the students for the real world. So, are we providing something like mock interviews, group discussions, or PDP classes that is actually preparing them or making them overall professional ready?
Very good question. At Mangal Mein, we believe that holistic development is the key to success. We have different types of students जो अलग अलग background से आते हैं. So first year students we conduct spoken English classes, and on regular basis we conduct group discussion and mock interviews for improve the communication skill and as well as confidence also. For final year students, we have one special program, that is personality development program, focusing on emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and personal growth. And these sessions are conducted by expert faculty members and industry mentors. अब इससे फायदा क्या होता है? इससे वो ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होती है, एकेडमिकली, सोशली एंड प्रोफेशनली, तीनों तरह से डेवलप होता है स्टूडेंट. इट्स अ होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट.
So basically, as ma'am is saying, बच्चे का background कुछ भी हो, but after doing BBA at MIMT, उसका एक overall development होगा, which is there in the curriculum.
Yes, right.
So moving forward, ma'am, though the teaching, how the faculty or the teacher is teaching in the classroom, it plays a very important role, and especially in the management field. So can you highlight or shed some light on the pedagogy that is used by the faculty members or our esteemed guests or experts in the classroom?
It's my favorite topic also. Pedagogy means the method of teaching. We have different types of pedagogy. हमारी हर फैकल्टी अपनी एक अलग pedagogy लेती है based on that subject. रेगुलर लेक्चर के साथ वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन इन पेडागॉगी केस स्टडीज, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, peer learning, blended session, project based learning, group learning, experiential learning. So हर फैकल्टी का पढ़ाने का एक अलग तरीका है, and respective faculty are taking the lecture in different pedagogy. उससे अब क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स का, अगेन आई एम सेइंग कि वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट. उससे स्टूडेंट्स में क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट की ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होती है. दे बिल्ड द लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, coordination, cooperation, time management student सीख पाता है.
Okay, ma'am. So we have also come across the term that is professional edge series quite often. So what is it all about and how it is helping the BBA students?
We are running professional edge series, and in this series we invite the resource person from corporate and industries फॉर गेस्ट लेक्चर, वर्कशॉप, सेशंस. अब उससे क्या होता है कि जब ये कॉरपोरेट के पर्सन, जो कॉरपोरेट लीडर्स होते हैं, वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस स्टूडेंट के साथ शेयर करते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स को रियल वर्ल्ड में जो जो चैलेंजेस वो आगे इन फ्यूचर फेस करने जा रहा है, तो इजीली उनको कॉप अप कर सकता है. एंड इट्स हेल्पफुल टू ब्रिजिंग द गैप बिटवीन इंडस्ट्री एंड एकेडमिक.
Exactly. Which is very important these days to bridge the gap between the academics and the industry. Moving forward, ma'am, since the education is not limited to the books, so what are the efforts for the holistic development, or I would say, do we have the concept of leadership or team building through clubs and committees at BBA?
Yes. As I already told in my opening remarks, Mangal mein focus on the holistic development because we believe that holistic development is the key to success. So for whole academic activities, we divide it in two parts: academic activities and beyond academic activities. Academic activities, we are running academic club, marketing club, HR club, finance club, and IT club. What's the objective of these academic clubs? It's all the clubs are the student driven club and headed by the faculty members. अब क्या किया जाता है कि ये क्लब्स जो हैं अपनी एक्टिविटी कराते हैं और वो स्टूडेंट्स ही कराते हैं. उससे क्या है, स्टूडेंट्स में एक टीम मैनेजमेंट की भावना आ जाती है, स्टूडेंट इजीली चीजों को हैंडल कर पाते हैं. एंड सेम इन बियॉन्ड एकेडमिक क्लब, वी आर रनिंग इको क्लब, UHV, कल्चर क्लब, EBSV क्लब, हेरिटेज क्लब. The objective of these beyond academic club is to, we want to inculcate the values our students कि उनकी समाज में towards the social responsibility towards society. ये हम इन क्लब्स के थ्रू करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इको क्लब. इको क्लब, द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ इको क्लब इज वर्किंग ऑन एनवायरमेंट एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी. सो इको क्लब में जितनी भी एक्टिविटी की जाएगी वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी से रिलेटेड की जाएंगी. तो स्टूडेंट उस चीज को कनेक्ट कर पाता है कि व्हाट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी. इसी तरह से हम होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट को डेवलप करते हैं, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट कर पाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स का.
Okay, so students, this is your opportunity to actually come forward in addition to your academics to participate in these clubs and committees to actually show your talent and to add values to your life. Moving forward, ma'am, so college is combination or the blend. So बहुत सारे ऐसे students होते हैं जो academics के साथ साथ थोड़ी enjoyment भी देखते हैं. तो do we have kind of events or trips or some extracurricular activities at MIMT जो students के लिए थोड़ा सा college life उनकी exciting बनाता है?
We conduct industrial visit, educational trips, excursion trip, culture fest, inter college competition for students. अब उससे क्या होता है, because it's a students most fun areas, उसमें क्या है कि beyond classroom उनको एक अलग से learning होती है, वो सीख पाते हैं कि किस तरह से हम चीजों को मैनेज कर पाएंगे.
Exactly. So the last question that I have for you, ma'am, is what is the future vision for the BBA or management program at MIMT, and are there any upcoming initiatives or new features that current and prospective students should look forward to?
Our aim is to integrate technology enabled program in our curriculum. In upcoming semester, we are introducing 2 AI-based value add-on certification for our BBA Platina students, and we are approaching with reputed institution and organizations for more MOUs and collaboration. And this time, our incubation system supports the students for startups.
Okay. So to all the aspiring BBA students, MIMT is your platform where you are provided with the knowledge, the skill, and the opportunities that you need to succeed in the dynamic business world. So stay curious, stay motivated, and embrace every learning opportunity. Thank you so much, Dr. Meenakshi Sharma ma'am, for joining us today and sharing such valuable insights relating to our BBA program at MIMT. So it's all about preparing for the life with skills, exposure, and professional mindset. We hope our viewers found the episode useful. For more such episodes, stay tuned to the Mangalmay podcast series. Until next time, we are signing off. Take care and keep learning.
Thank you, Sonali ma'am.